Good morning, everybody. We are back at it again today, and this time, wow, if you love outdoor adventure, you're gonna love what we're doing. We are doing the new River Gorge Bridge Walk. Yeah, very, very exciting. It's a little bit rainy,
right
so
Number 13.
I don't know what to expect in the rain. Number 13?
Number 13.
Okay, the highest bridges in the world. We are at number 13, which is really cool. And it is also the longest single arch bridge in the Western Hemisphere. So the bridge walk takes about 2.5 hours is what I ordered. So we can't wait to show you our fun. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like today. It's going to be gorgeous. The weather is, it's low 60s, so it's perfect for, activities. And other than that, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. So that's the belay. I guess the hook that goes on the belay system.
Yeah.
And it just spins. It's really cool.
It's neat because it never has to come off the line.
Right.
Okay.
We're heading down the Bridge Walk Trail. We just took a look at the overlook to see what we're getting ourselves into. And honestly, it's going to be fun. We get to walk the full length across, and then there's going to be a bus that's going to pick us up on the other side and bring us back. That's nice. Here we go.
This addition to the bridge is its safety system. This was put up by us. We have to put this up. The only reason you have the harnesses on is for liability. Things that you're going to be out here making sense. Okay. We'll be fine. Once you get
Mr. Locke, are you ready?
Right.
Always.
Okay, got yours?
Yes.
All right. Let's put that over there. There you go. Your left. There you go.
Okay.
So walk on out and take the slack out. There you go. Yep. I'll kind of walk with you, make sure it's behind you. There you go. There you go. Okay. We'll come around you guys.
Okay.
If you guys can't hear me, throw your hand up. But there'll be times I'll get in the middle. I'll stand up. You guys should be able to hear me. All right.
Bridge is shaking. Here we go. 5/10 of a mile, or 6/10 of a mile across. Here we go. On a 24-inch wide platform. Holy cow.
You guys see this tree down here? I always got to point that out.
Beautiful.
Out here, right in this general area here, past this tree line, this is where, thank God it's not happening right now, this is where that fence starts. I was out there last week. That was amazing. See the smoke below?
You can feel the bridge shaking. Hope that translates onto the video because it is definitely shaking. Can't really feel it much when you are walking, but when you're standing still. There we go. Whoa. There's a big truck. But the view is worth it. Wow, there's a car. We missed it. Yeah, the wind is definitely picking up, but he said that it's like a wind tunnel under here. But it's not bad.
Yeah, see the rain come off the bridge, shear off of that, right?
Yeah. My hair's in my face from the wind. I'm a mess. Beautiful views. You can't really see the river because of the fog, but it's still very, very pretty. So just think, if the fog wasn't there, there's hear it when we go across, like a marker. I'll let you listen. So I'm looking at the rocks, and this is what it sounds like. There we go. You know, I found out as long as you keep your feet moving, you can't really feel the bridge shaking. So if you just kind of march in place a little bit, you can't feel it at all. I'm just saying, if that freaks people out. Let's do a little march. I'm not freaked out, but I'm just saying. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah. See to the end. The wind is definitely picking up the closer to the center that we get. It's not bad. It's cold. Should have worn my gloves. It was warm up at the top, but it's much colder underneath, especially with the wind kicking up. But it's worth it. I'll take cold hands for this view. Daredevils. Oh, you get to sit down, huh? You gonna sit?
No, 'cause I'll never get back up.
I can hear you. Stuck. Other side. Just told to look at this vertical beam because in traffic runs over and it actually sways. I don't know how they can able to show you with just what I'm doing, but at any rate, it's kind of swaying back. They're also told that if it didn't sway, that would be a problem. So it's a good thing that it sways. Been a beautiful walk. Wow. Yeah, autumn is definitely the time of year to do this because of the trees. And we were lucky, we were told leaf peeping weekend. Back on the bus?
Yeah.
What did you think?
All right,
It's
everybody
pretty
go
thrilling.
over, okay.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Definitely an exhilarating walk.
Just explain to them.
I really want to try to see it, you know?
And at the end, you get a sticker. Gotta put that on my car.
Wind blown and everything.
I was gonna say I look a bit worse than what we started with. I look a bit colder, a bit windier.
The wind gave it a kind of a sensation you wouldn't have anticipated.
No.
Because the bridge sways and the wind's blowing, and you get a different perspective that you don't normally get. So
Yeah. Well, I think.
it's a little disorienting, but really amazing.
I also think during Bridge Day, because they stop the traffic, it's not going to be as, it's not going to sway as much, but you will get the wind. You're going to get the wind no matter what. I think in the summertime when it's 90 degrees, I think that wind would be refreshing.
Yeah.
But it was cold today.
It was a little chilly.
I didn't prepare properly.
And
I
it's-
would have brought a hat and gloves because you're touching metal
And
to
it's
walk.
nearly 60 degrees today, so just
Yeah,
keep that in mind.
it was probably, it felt like it was 30 under there. I know it wasn't, but because of the wind, it was just really cold. Having said that, that did not affect the view or how much fun it was. We learned so much, and it's amazing. If you're down here in the New River Gorge area or anywhere near Adventures on the Gorge, this is a must. This is on my must-do list, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, we are out. We're gonna go and explore the area a little more.
Get a bite to eat.
And eat. Yeah. Well, thanks, guys. If you liked it, again, as everybody says, like this video. Give us a comment if you've been here. Subscribe to our channel. We really like that. And
Absolutely.
we will see you next time. Are we ready?
Yep, let's
we
go.
out. Bye.